Okay, so you're all students from NID?
Yeah.
And what do you all feel about this camp? A bit louder.
As from our perspective, we are mainly looking at learning from it, wherever we can help with whatever skills we have. We will.
But information is seen as something not so important in Indian society. Would you agree?
Yeah, I would say to some extent. People are a little skeptical and they don't.
It's not a priority.
Yeah, it's not a priority at all.
We don't have signboards.
And even if even if you try to convince them, they still feel that there are other better things, and they know things would probably help them in their daily lives, but they are fine with the way they are going about things right now. They're not ready to accept the changes that would come about with these things.
So where do you all see yourselves going in 5 years after you all graduate?
We would like to skip this question.
No,
Having asked these people what they are into,
yeah.
just knowing that they've been doing this for most of their lives, and now establishing offices all around the world, we're like just starting to imagine how do you get into a thing like this. We're not even tuned to do what they're doing right now, or even think about what they're doing.
No, but I'll tell you as an elder, as a gray-bearded guy, I think life is a series of accidents. You decide what you like in life, and then you reach there. There's no such grand plan that we start off at the age of 18 or 19 and then reach there when we are 40 or 45 or whatever. But what's your approach towards information? I mean, how important do you think it is?
Certainly is important, but then more than information, conveying the information is more important, I think. And it's the way you convey that makes the impact about what the data actually was.
And which areas are we lacking in the most as a country, like as far as information goes?
I think in communication.
Communicating the information.
Which is the core part. It should be improved. How do we work on it?
So you all are from the NID Bangalore campus, right?
Yes.
And you all have a lot of projects and things like that, dealing with information that seniors have done or you all will be doing later on?
We're actually currently doing our design projects, which is like a 2 months long thing as a part of our curriculum. So this is the big thing that we do during a semester duration.
Yeah. So what's it like? What will be your projects like this time?
We're actually 11 students, and so everyone has a different kind of a data set that they are dealing with, which varies from terrorism to disasters to blood circulation in the body,
I see.
bus transport system in the Bangalore city.
Putting across this information.
Yeah, so everyone has taken up data sets and then we are visualizing it either in the print media or digitally. And
a lot of this work that your students put off is important and useful to society as a whole, but it doesn't emerge from the campus walls in that sense.
I guess
That's because of the college policy.
Yeah, that's...
Anything we do is NID property. Public display of it will require a lot of paperwork. Then again, later on we can become platforms where information can be displayed in a better format. Yeah, always use the knowledge, but then don't give a tangible product right now.
If I can ask each of you all now, what are the 3 things that you all feel are most information deficient in, say, in Bangalore and Karnataka or India as a whole? Sorry?
It's okay.
Sorry?
I think signages.
Signages.
The public places like banks, the form over there, the filling form.
We're starting
Yeah,
again.
yeah,
so.
yeah.
Social issue that we have to come across about the language and the regional language thing. So that's where it's lacking. Otherwise,
Yeah.
communication-wise,
You mean there's not enough in regional languages?
there is in regional
Okay.
languages.
There's more than
So
enough
that
in
way it's difficult,
Okay.
but otherwise Bangalore is communicating well with the world.
I see.
Even the transport systems that we have, the usability for that can be really improved.
Even information could make transport more efficient in that sense.
Timetables, maps, charts, so many things.
I think you all have done a lot of useful maps for this place, which makes it much more easier. But don't you think as a country we lack a kind of map culture in that sense?
Yeah, we do.
We don't grow up reading maps in that sense, no?
You're easy. You will find it more comfortable asking the fellow next
That's
to you
true.
how to go about a place than use your head.
Yeah, because we are oral cultures in a way, no? We are used to talking to people and rather than...
Yeah, things have to change. I mean, and that's also probably because I think we haven't explored these areas. If you really make a good map, I'm sure people would start using it definitely.
One last thing, if you don't mind me asking at the end, your names and where you all are from.
Yeah.
I'm Sumit, I'm from Delhi.
Sorry?
I'm Sumit from Delhi.
Sumit.
All right.
Vaibhav, I
Time
am
to
from
cut it.
Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
Right.
Prachi in Pune.
From
Pune.
Pune.
Justin from Delhi.
I see.
Vaibhav from Jodhpur, Rajasthan.
Vaibhav.
Suruchika, I'm
From
from Nagpur.
Kanpur.
Nagpur.
Sorry?
I'm from Nagpur.
Nagpur. Nagpur.